Exercise 9.1, question number 13. Question number 13 is, as observed from the point of 75 meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angle of depression of two ships are 30 degree and 45 degree. If one ship is exactly behind the other ship on the same side of the lighthouse, then find the distance between two ships. So in this question, there is a lighthouse. Suppose that AB is a lighthouse, which height is 75 meter, and there are two ships. Suppose that this is C and this is D, one behind other. From the top of the lighthouse point P, the angle of depression of the two ships, one is 30 degree, second is 45 degree. Then we need to ask what is the distance between two ships, first and second. So let us suppose that CD equal to X and AC equal to Y. Then by the law of alternate interior angle, this line is parallel to this line, then this angle will be equal to this angle. So angle D is 30 degree and angle C, this angle will be equal to this angle, this will be 45 degree. So in triangle ABC, angle A is 90 degree, means this angle is 90 degree. So this side is this side given, so this making the tangent tan theta. So tan 45 degree equal to 75 upon y. 75 upon y. The value of tan 45 is 1. So 1 equal to 75 upon y, and cross multiply y equal to 75 meter. Now again in triangle ABD, angle A equal to 90 degree. Then taking this angle, so tan 30 equal to perpendicular is 75 and the base is x plus y. Now substituting the value of tan 30 equal to 1 upon root 3, 75 upon x plus y. Doing cross multiply, x plus y equal to 75 root x, and substituting the value of y, so 75 root 3 minus y. So x equal to 75 root 3 minus 75. Yeah, x equal to 75 root 3 minus 75. Taking 75 common from this step, so 75 it will come common, and root 3 minus 1, this meter. This is the final answer. Final answer is 75 under root 3 minus 1 meter. I hope every point is clear over here. Okay, next question number 14. A 1.2 meter tall gulls spot a balloon moving with wind in a horizontal line at the height of 88.2 meter from the ground level. The angle of elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the gulls at any instant is the 60 degree. After some time, the angle of elevation reduced to the 30 degree. Find the distance traveled by the balloon during this interval. Let us discuss. Pause. So suppose that in this question AB is a girl whose height is 1.2 meter, and this is the height of the balloon point CD. At the point D there is a balloon which height from the ground level is 88.2 meter. this line joining, and this is the, suppose that this is the point E. So if AB equal to 1.2 meter, then C also equal to 1.2 meter. Now remaining height of the DE equal to 88.2 minus 1.2, it will come 77. And this is the angle of elevation from the girl's eyes is 60 degree. After passing some time, balloon is moved at the point, suppose that FG. Now the position of balloon is point G. Then producing this line, and this height will become, suppose that is it H, and height, this height becomes 87 and 1.2. Now at this stage, the angle of elevation is reducing 30 degree. Let me check. Reducing 30 degree. Then we need to ask what is the distance between. We need to find distance between DG, and DG will be equal to EH, or you can see that also equal to CF. Means we need to find this value. So remaining this part, leave this. Now we will study, suppose that this height is, this distance is B to EX and E to H is Y. So in triangle BDE, angle B equal to 60 degree, angle B equal to 60 degree, apply tan rule. So tan 60 equal to 87 whole divided by x. The value of tan 60 is root 3. So root 3 x equal to 87. Yeah, x equal to 87 divided by root 3 multiply by root 3. So x equal to, this will come 3 and 3 divided, that is 29 root 3. Now we need to find the value of y. So again, in the triangle BGH, angle H is 90 degree. Here in this triangle, focus at that point. Angle B was 60 degree and angle E was 90 degree, and here angle H was 90 degree and this angle B is 30 degree. Apply tan rule. So tan 30 equal to, height is 87. So in this case, in triangle BGH, angle H is 90 degree and angle B is 30 degree. Then apply tan rule. So tan 30 equal to 87 upon x plus y. The value of tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, 87 whole divided by x. Already we have got it, 29 root 3 plus y. Cross multiply 29 root 3 plus y equal to 87 root 3. Transfer that value. So y equal to 87 root 3 minus 29 root 3. On subtracting it, that is 17 minus 9, it becomes 8. And now it is left 7 minus 2, 58 root 3 meter. So the balloon will travel this interval from D to G equal to 58 root 3 cos.